Hello listeners, today we are going to discuss about new topic, new chapter 2 for SSC class 10 of Telangana State Boards, okay, and the set will be there in other state boards also, okay. Let's discuss about introduction of sets. What is set? Set is nothing but collection of things that have something in common. Just take an example. What is this? This is marker pen. It is one of the set of marker pen. Marker pen is nothing but, set is nothing but collection of things that have something in common. What is common in this set? Both are marker pen. Both is used for writing. Take another example. A set of CDs which is used for watching. Okay, set is nothing but collection of things that have something in common. Okay, we said that general meaning of set, what you said? Collection of things that have something in common. Okay, how you will form the set? Set can be formed of anything that can be well defined or distinct. What do you mean by well defined or distinct? A set of anything you can create a set, but it must be a well defined and distinct, unique. Okay, just take an example. Okay, a set of numbers from 1 to 10. A set of numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 means what you will get a set of numbers, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means you are forming a set, well defined set. See, you are arranging the numbers properly from 1 to 10. Means you are forming a set. Means it is a well defined set and it is distinct. 1, 2, 3 means unique is there. No repetition you will say. This is called a set. This is called set. So take an example. A set of smart student. A set of smart student. Is it a set? No. You are getting the word as smart. Word as smart. It is not a set. It is not a set. What we said that set must be well defined or distinct. It must be well defined. You are saying a set of smart student. You are taking smart student in smart student. It is not a because smart cannot be defined or measured. Because smart cannot be defined or measured. These are relative terms. These are relative terms. Just take an example. A set of intelligent people. Intelligent people. It is also not a set. You cannot create, you cannot define intelligent people. Because so many intelligent people is there. Intelligent people cannot be defined or measured. This type of words are called as relative terms. This type of words is called as relative terms. What we said that a set must be well defined or distinct. Okay. Next, we will discuss how to find set and which is not set. Okay, a set of all letters that comes before D means we can find out all the letters that comes before D means you will get A, B, C. A, B, C. So this is called set because it is well defined and it is distinct. Okay, this is a set. This is a set. Collection of all boys in your class. It is a set? It is not a set. Collection of all boys means how many boys are present in your class? You can form a set. So it is correct. It is a set. If we say states of India, if you are saying state of India, it is also correct, it is also state. Okay, it is also set. You can write AP, Telangana. Okay, you can list all the states of India. If you are saying strong student in a class, it is not a set. It is not a set because you are getting a strong word which is a relative terms. If you add condition to this statement, you can create a set. What if you change the condition? What if you are writing, if student weight is greater than 60, consider as strong. Consider as strong. If you change the condition or if you add the condition to this statement, you can form a set. You can form a set. So more example is a student who scores 70% above marks in last sem, you can form a set. In your class, how many students got 70% marks? You can form a set, means 10 members got it, 5 members got it. If you are saying collection of 10 most talented cricketers in India, means it is not a set. So what you have discussed about what is set, what is set, what are set, and on which condition we can form set, on which condition we cannot form set.